Put a smile. There's a nose. Eye. Eye. Give him a smile.
Yay!
Yay.
Beautiful!
Monster.
Draw the hair.
That's great. Yeah, he needs
Draw hair.
He needs hair. And you give him a beard?
Hair down there. All right.
Yeah, okay, he's got a beard. Maybe this is Theo Wilson with the beard down there. Hmm?
Here's the hair.
Oh, there's the hair. Okay. The hair just goes all the way around. That's awesome. Look at you, Austin, huh? Fantastic. Oh, you didn't like that circle. Try again. You draw eyes. Eyes. Now nose. Oh, smile. There's a big nose.
It's a mustache.
A mustache. There you go. That's good.
Good.
Oh, and the big nose. And then hair. Oh, he's kind of balding.
Whiskers.
Whiskers.
That's his first smart face.
Yeah, I am ecstatic.
He does his best drawings on that, but
I know, and then he erases them and they're gone forever. Well, that's some very detailed lines, Austin. Good job.